Hi, I'm Alaya F and you're watching me on Bollywood Life's Valentine's Day special. I love Valentine's Day. I love any day that is a positive celebration. So, Valentine's Day you're celebrating love or wanting to be in love or not being in love or I love it. I love any celebration. Ranveer and Deepika. For sure. On screen and off screen. I've had both happen to me. So both, whatever works for you. And then, I used to think I was a love at first sight type of person. But I've realized this friends first or just knowing each other first and love building slowly, I feel like it's more like strong. In my opinion. I mean, everyone's is different. Might be a little extra, but my idea of a perfect date is just traveling, going out somewhere and doing something totally different. I'm not one of those that's long walks on the beach and all. No, I can go and walk on the beach by myself also. I want to go to some exotic place or somewhere nice. That would be a lovely date. See, I don't do proper big romantic things. I feel a little awkward, but I like doing little things constantly. So whether it's just giving random presents randomly or going on dates often, just not letting the spark and love die. I feel whenever it gets too comfortable where you stop taking initiative and stop whatever, for me that's the most unromantic. So just constantly doing something or the other to just keep it alive and keep it new and fun and exciting. Just a really fun new experience. I just love doing new things and exploring and adventuring. Celebrate it. I've been single for so many Valentine's Days, my god, I can't even begin to tell you. So just enjoy it, celebrate it, go out with your girlfriends or your guy friends or whoever and just have fun. There are so many people that are in relationships that are acting like they're single. You are single, enjoy it. Enjoy this feeling of the butterflies in your stomach and the excitement and the feeling of this newness. Later on when you guys are together for 10 years and all that time, you'll remember these moments. So just remember how you're feeling and cherish it. I guess time heals everything. So just let time do its thing. It'll always ease up. And in the meantime, keep yourself super busy with people that make you happy or work that makes you happy or activities that make you happy. Just keep yourself busy and then time will do all the rest. You don't have to stress. I feel just be honest. It's always good in the long run. It might hurt even more in the moment, but time will heal everything for your partner as well. And being dishonest when you break up will just prolong the pain because then sooner or later people find out. So just be honest and nice about it. Don't be bitter. And yeah. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Bollywood Life.